Back to you, Chiefs. You cannot play high line ngama-defenders angenayo i-pace. Why? That is dangerous. It is dangerous because the Chiefs cannot control a game immediately. In the center of the park, Kaizer Chiefs are not capable of controlling a game. Namhlanje that was evident. They were losing a ball cheaply in the middle of the park. Umthetho ngiqale ngayo u-Ox Mpanyambos. Umthetho is too predictable. Umthetho, you know ukuthi ibhola mabeliza kuyena, it's a wall pass, okanye he's going to open up and pass that player. You always need to be aware of two options that he has. It's up to opposition ukuthi imnikeza yiphi option ezoba advantageous kubona to win the bhola because the guy is so predictable. In my opinion, number one,